My name is Carl. I'm founder of Fishi Robotics. We do underwater robotics, currently focusing on ship inspections. Ships today can be huge, up to 400 metres long, and it's very difficult for an owner-operator to understand what the condition of a vessel is. Fishi Robotics is building an inspection drone for ship inspections, which can autonomously image the entire bottom of a ship. I'm actually interested in the computer vision and software side of the project. So to simplify things, when we were starting out, most of the hardware was bought off the shelf, but we needed better cameras and a much more powerful computer inside. So we took the off-the-shelf hardware and we changed out all the electronics. So we've got quite a lot of compute power on there, which we use for the autonomy and computer vision side of things, but it's more of a software project from my perspective than a hardware project. We're really focused right now on getting the autonomy of the robot to work and allowing the robot to image large areas of the ship all by itself. The next year or so we'll be looking to build up the team, hiring, fundraising, and getting the drone in the water and proving that the drone is able to do what we say it does. As humanity, we've kind of reached a limit on how much we can produce from the land, and I think more and more we're going to be sending this production offshore. And traditionally that's just been oil and gas, but we've got wind, we've got aquaculture, we really obviously rely on shipping to connect our economy together, and I have a feeling that the marine sector is going to be growing very quickly, and it's incredibly expensive to do anything offshore. So in the future we're going to have to work out how to draw on automation to allow us to manage our resources and productively use them.